Hello there.
What up, Trainer YT here. Today I'm gonna make this challenge for thanking you all for the goal of 50 feedback and the 50 subscribers, and I'm really appreciating every single
One of you.
I'm trying to. And
We're gonna eat
by
some.
that, we're gonna eat this baby chili.
It's the chili you can get at Walmart. I don't know what it's called but yeah, you know, we got this is Danish milk.
Danish milk.
It's called mini milk. Mini milk.
Mini milk.
Mini milk.
Alright.
Mini milk.
Alright, you ready for this?
I'm not gonna.
This is Nico.
This is
YT.
Nicola.
Nico YT, the one I'm streaming with. Alright, guys, you ready for this?
And Red, shut the fuck up. We're not pussies. Don't say homo swag.
Don't, Red, please don't. Alright, all in.
Oh my god, I don't like this. Well, I'm so nervous.
You ready? Let's do this. Cheer.
I'm used to chili, by the way. I'm normal, used to it.
It's not hot. Red pepper. I can't feel anything.
Where's the package? That's all. Not good. Der stod chili. I think this was a fail. I eaten one of these before, but let me see the package.
It's apparently not chili, so I'll just eat the net.
Rød chili.
Red chili is on the package.
Yeah, der står chili. See? Chili. Why isn't it getting hot?
Look, I marked it.
Is it hot? Is it hot? Should I take another one?
Oh my,
He's gonna cry. You know what? I think also I got one.
All in.
Don't feel anything. Don't feel anything.
I do. Mine were hot.
I can't feel anything. Seriously. Fuck that. There's. This is.
It's making it worse, bro.
I know that.
Why did I do this?
Oh. Fuck. Oh!
Now I feel it. I should never have done this shit.
No! God, I'm not.
Okay, don't please.
You know what? I took all the ends. I don't. Oh! See. Oh! Sometime I'm gonna eat the world's hottest, so I'm dying.
It's so damn hot. Alright, guys, I'm gonna dash real quick. Thank you so much for watching.
Thank you for watching. Thank you. I'm not a drug, bro.
It's so hot, bros. Thank you for hitting 50 followers. I don't know what the time of the viewers is at the point I'm getting it, but thank you so much for it. Sorry about the shaking, but thank you so much. I really appreciate it. Make sure to follow my stream, follow my Twitter, subscribe to YouTube.
And me too.
Nah, don't follow him. He's just bye.